How to fix Gmail not sending emails. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your Gmail. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Click on the option Manage account on this device. With that, you're gonna find the Gmail accounts that are logged in your device. Now, disable for this option for the Gmail account in which you are getting this issue. Wait for a few minutes and then enable it. Likewise, check your internet connection. For that, go to Settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forgo this network, give a fresh restart your router, and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, give a fresh restart to your device. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Gmail. If you find any updates for it, just update it to its latest version. With these, your problem will be fixed. You'll be able to send the mails. So this is how you can easily fix Gmail not sending emails. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.